Once construction is complete, we are now ready to begin the install. We will locate the drop that was brought to the exterior wall of the house and take the signal to the inside of the house. Once we get the signal into the house, we will install an interface device to connect to the wireless router. Once the interface equipment is installed, we will then connect the wireless router and test signal strength and speed. Once we've tested our equipment to ensure it is working properly, we will then get with the customer to go over the Valley Wi-Fi Manager app.